Welcome, in front of me is a XIAOMI Black Shark 2, and today I'll show you how to use the screen record feature. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and we should have a toggle right over here. It looks like it is right here. So before we actually tap on it to start recording, you might want to hold it, and this will take you to the settings where you can customize how good the recording will be. So number one, you have the resolution, which you can change it to either be 1080p, 720, or 480. I would honestly stick with a 1080. And you have video quality. The higher you go, the better the image quality. Although if you're planning to, for instance, use YouTube to upload this, I don't think anything past 6 will really matter. YouTube has a basically algorithm to make it look like trash, so you won't be getting the full quality. Even though, for instance, your phone will be taking way more space if you go higher. That also goes for the resolution, but then the resolution actually does have a difference when you're uploading it. And then frame rate, at best you're stuck at 30. You can't really go any higher, so you can either have 30 or like a console, or 24 cinematic experience, or 15, which I don't know what to compare it to. I wouldn't use that in any kind of, for any reason. And then orientation, I would stick with auto. And you have a couple other options, for instance, like the gestures, show touch gestures. So basically when you're touching, it will show a little dot just so you can see where your finger is touching on the recording. And then once everything is set, you can pull it down, tap on it. It starts automatically, you can see, and you have this little stop button right here along with a countdown. Now it's a little bit faded, and whatever you will do now, it will be recorded. And the actual button right here that you have for stop and timing will not show on your video, so that's also nice. Once you're done, just click on the stop, saves automatically. It keeps it also open for starting over if you want to, but I'll just close this. You can basically tap on the toggle in there anyway, and it kind of pointless on here. And from there, once you have captured the video, you can go into your gallery. So let's find that to record photos. Not now. Let's go to albums, camera, and there it is. So it's automatically playing. And there we go, you can see what I was doing while recording. So that is basically how you use this option. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.